tired of driving this old truck. Ain't a 9 to 5, but it still feels stuck. Over to Georgia and up to Arkansas. You know I gotta roll every time they call. There's a world on the other side of this glass, and it keeps turning, going by so fast. And I wanna be the one playing on the radio. Hell yeah, turn it up, it's a hit from the get-go. Dropping my songs up and they blow up. Gotta get out of this truck. Stuck in traffic around Birmingham. You know I wanna go, but they don't give a damn. All that grabbing on my CD, all that bitching don't satisfy me. There's a world on the other side of this glass, and it keeps turning, rolling by so fast. I wanna be the one playing on your radio. Hell yeah, turn it up, it's a hit from the get-go. Dropping my songs when they blow up. Gotta get out of this truck. Out of this truck. Well, y'all probably wondering where the hell I've been. Well, I've been on the road, busy and taking care of stuff. And I don't like the lighting in here. And I don't like the way that this head is blocking out my face. But hey, you know, it's all good. Hope you guys been doing pretty good. Just been working on songs and guitars and trying to get things going, you know. But I'm glad to be back on here. Trying to keep it down because I got a guy sleeping next to me over here in this truck, and one sleeping over there in that truck, and you know, I don't want to start nothing, you know, when they sleeping. But no, hopefully we're back to making more videos and trying to get some songs out there. It's just a taste of something that I've pretty much finished up and wanted to bring to y'all. But I got a lot of stuff down the pipeline coming, so stick around. Thank y'all.